In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Pipedrive sequences work. We'll build two examples together so you can see how to automate consistent outreach and follow-ups without extra clicks. First, sign in to your Pipedrive account. From the main navigation, open Pulse and then choose Sequences. Sequences are automated, time-based steps that run on a deal or a lead. They can send emails for you or create activities for your team, all triggered in the order and timing you define. Create a new sequence and choose Start from Scratch. If you already have a template, you can use it, but we'll build one manually. Select Deals and Continue. Give your sequence a clear name so your team understands its purpose at a glance. Add your first step as an email. This step sends a message to the contact linked to the deal. Schedule it to go out 5 minutes after the previous step is completed. Choose to send it automatically so it goes without manual approval. Enter a concise subject and write the body of the email. Tips: personalize with placeholders like the contact's name, keep the value proposition clear, and include a simple call to action. Save your changes. Add another step and select Email again. This will be your follow-up message. Set the schedule to 1 day after the prior step. Choose Send automatically, then type your follow-up subject and body. Keep it short, reference the previous note, and restate the next action you want. Save. Add a final step as another email. This is your gentle last nudge. Set the schedule to 2 days after the previous step and enable Send automatically. Turn on the option to include weekends if you want these to go out every day. Compose the subject and message, then save. Navigate back to the sequence list when you're done. Now, let's build a lead-focused sequence. Add a new sequence, start from scratch, select Leads, and continue. Lead sequences run on prospects before you convert them to deals, great for early-stage qualification or handoffs. Rename the sequence for clarity. For the first step, choose Activity. Activities create to-dos instead of sending messages, which is useful when you want a human touch. Set the activity type to Call, assign the item owner, and set the priority to High. Schedule it for 1 day after the previous step, and save. Add another step as Activity. Name it Follow-up Call to make the intent clear. This prompts a second touchpoint if the prospect hasn't engaged. Assign the item owner and set the priority to High. Save. That's how Pipedrive sequences work, combining automated emails with scheduled activities so your pipeline moves forward reliably. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.